fussing and hauling about?
It was just a mix-up with the payment for Meg's tuition.
What are you talking about? You are Elastigirl! My God, pull yourself together!
You don't understand. I didn't get the promotion.
Michael is right. It's a made-up word used to trick students.
I know how little you care about your job. And honestly, if you spent as much time selling as you do goofing around with Dwight and hanging out at reception, we wouldn't be having this conversation.
Is Richard having an affair?
Everybody be cool, this is a robbery!
There can be no doubt, because doubt causes chaos and one's own demise. You mind if I look into it?
You run your father's publishing company.